Hello dear Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite channel, the Moksha Tarot, and here we will be talking about your 4th week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. So let's begin. Your cards are already out. In your love life, you've got the Two of Moons and the Magician card. I do see that there is a lot of love in you. Probably, especially if you're single, you're trying to manifest the perfect partner, the love of your life in your life. I also see that if you are in a no contact situation, you are trying to manifest a particular person back. If you're already married, you're talking to somebody, you are trying to manifest a better life for each other. Whatever your situation, relationship, or marriage is, there is a manifestation which is happening right here. It could be you, it could be your partner who's trying to manifest you back into their lives as well, or a new partner who's trying to manifest a person who's exactly like you. So all in all, if I look at it, it's a very beautiful card to have. I do see a beautiful union and reunion happening where two people who have a lot of love for each other are coming together. With the magician here, I do see that your manifestation powers are going to be very strong this week. So I suggest that you start thinking positively right now, because if you manifest wrong things by thinking negatively, that is also a possibility. Please maintain a positive outlook, especially regarding your love life, because everything that you dream of, everything that you desire is going to come to you. Now let's see what's happening in your career. You've got the Abyss card and the Five of Suns. With the Abyss card, it tells me A, that you're dealing with an Aquarius or Capricorn Sun Moon rising, or you could have an Aquarius or Capricorn Sun Moon rising in your own birth chart. Now that is not necessary, but this particular sign popped out, so I thought I should inform you. I do see that you're a wise person, spiritually inclined person, probably follow your intuition also. Your intuition is very, very strong. So it keeps on guiding you what step you need to take in your career, whether you should stay or move on, but you have a habit of procrastinating. You have a habit of delaying things more than they are supposed to be delayed. Like you will sit on a decision and you'll keep on thinking about it. Now, this is a point where the cards are asking you to take action. Take action, do not procrastinate, because your intuition is guiding you right. But if you keep on sitting on it, it's not going to happen. For example, you want to change your job, but if you do not take any action, do not look for it, do not apply somewhere else, you're never going to change your job, right? If you want to start a business, you haven't even started inquiring about it. You haven't even started, looking at your finances, or that particular field that you want to start a business with, then it's not going to happen, right? I also see that you could be afraid of a particular competition in your field. Yes, your field is very competitive. So if you're scared of applying for a job or asking for a promotion or a raise because you think there's so much competition out there, or how is my business going to flourish, well, worry not. This week is going to give you a lot of great news, because I do see no matter the tough competition around you, you are going to be successful. The people, your bosses, your customers, your clients are going to choose you this week. You're going to come out to be successful. You're going to get a lot of money and abundance as well. Now, one thing you need to pay attention with this card here is that sometimes when we get everything very easily, we try, uh, we sometimes get a little overconfident. We have that pride in ourselves that, oh, look, I got everything very easily, or I am the chosen one. Please do not do that. Please do not let your pride come in between your hard work, or uh, don't let that change your nature in any way. Don't demean anybody else, right? Because what will happen, it can backfire if you show overconfidence and pride and do not show any humility and try to demean other people or rub it in other people's face. It can backfire. That job, you can be kicked out of that promotion can be taken away, or maybe that client decides to go to someone else. If you do not want such a circumstance, please stay humble this week. So overall, if I look at your week, Taurus, it looks beautiful. If you're a Taurus Sun Moon rising, please check your birth chart. It is a beautiful week with a lot of manifestation happening and a lot of good things coming for you. So if you resonated with this powerful reading, if you liked it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you would like to book any personal reading for yourself, if you have very specific questions, you can check out my services below. I have a host of services available including personal readings, packages, rituals, counseling sessions, and exclusive love and no contact readings as well. To make any bookings, you can either email me on my email ID or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please also follow me on Instagram. That's a new channel that I've created just to update you of what's going to happen here, what are the prices, which you can see on my story on a daily basis. And yes, please subscribe me here and show some love to my new channel. So this was your weekly reading, a beautiful reading. Take care of yourself and I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye.